Today we're going to draw a...
Cat.
Yeah, a cat. A cute one.
A cute.
Yeah.
Cute a cat.
Are you a cat fan?
Kind of.
Kind of? Yeah, cats are cute in some ways. We're gonna draw a cat, and it's gonna be a cute cat, and it's gonna be in a basket.
Full of yarn.
Yeah, that's right. There's gonna be yarn everywhere. Okay, so let's get started. So around in the middle of the page, draw a circle. This is gonna be the cat head. And make sure you leave a little bit of space for the basket. Great! And then we're gonna draw the cat ears, draw a couple of triangles. But since it's a cute cat, we're gonna make the triangle a little sideways. It's like the cat's doing little cute cat ears. And draw one more line for the fold inside of the ear. This is gonna be the eyes, okay? We're going to draw two curved lines to start with. One like this, and the other opposite side. Draw a couple of circles for the eyes. This. Okay? And we're gonna
Cat
do...
looks mad.
For now. We're gonna do googly eyes. Okay? So draw two curved lines because cat eyes look like this, right? And then a little round top. Oh, you don't have room. That's okay. How about you do it on this side? Yeah, there you go. And then we're gonna color the rest of it. The white space. And then do the same thing on the other side. A narrow little slit. And then a little curved line for another shiny part. And coloring in the rest of it. Yeah. Okay. And then I'm gonna draw a couple of eyelashes too. Eyelashes. Okay, and then an upside down triangle for the nose.
You did a step without me.
Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah, I did a little curved line on the bottom of her eye to make it even cuter. Okay, and then a couple of hooks underneath the nose. We're going to draw a little tongue sticking out. So in the center of those hooks, draw another curved line. And we're going to color that later. Purple or pink. A kitty tongue color. And we forgot the whiskers. Let's put in the whiskers next to her nose. Just a couple of whiskers sticking out. Yeah, and this kitty is a little tabby cat kitty. I think those are the ones with the little stripes, right? So we're gonna draw 3 little stripes on the top of her head. Yeah. Now for her little paws. She's gonna have it sticking out of the basket. Okay, so let's draw a couple of ovals right underneath her head. Just a couple of ovals. And then we're gonna draw 2 little lines so that it looks like it's her little paw. Okay? Okay, now for the basket. We're just gonna draw a rectangle underneath. Okay? So simple. Just do a line and then another line down and make a rectangle underneath her. And this is where your yarn ball is gonna be. Great! And then, so I'm going to draw 1 yarn ball sticking in the back here. So a little curved line right like that. And then I'm going to draw some
I'm
lines.
gonna draw some just on the floor.
Okay, that works too. But don't forget her tail sticking out of the little box. Ooh. Okay, so we're gonna draw one tail. And I'm gonna give her some stripes. Great! That's it! And we were
kind of mad still.
Maybe she's like, don't take my yarn balls. And for the yarn ball, you can make a circle. And draw some curved lines on it in different directions so that it looks like this string is all, the yarn's all.
I'm gonna draw one on her head to make it even cuter.
That's a good idea. And we were gonna write something in the box, right? What do cats say?
You purr.
Perfect. So we're going to write you're perfect, okay? You, and then apostrophe R-E, you are your, and then for purr, we're gonna write it like the kitty's purring, purr, and that's it.
I spelled like this.
You are your.
Your. This is your.
That's a different your. You are is abbreviated like this. There you go. You're perfect. Okay, now color in your kitty the way you want her to be. And you can decorate more yarn balls if you would like.
Can I have this one?
Yeah. Let's do it.
My cat's gonna be orange.
I haven't decided what my cat's gonna be, even though I picked out my colors.
What color should the eyes be?
Good question. You could leave it white if it's just the shine of it, or I think blue might be good.
Okay. How about you try out blue and see if it's good.
Okay. What do you think?
It's a little dark with the black.
Yeah, I should have gone with a lighter blue, huh?
I like blue.
Can I use your pink?
Yeah. Nope. Still need to do this. I want to color orange.
I picked peony for her tongue color.
How cute.
Okay.
It's cute. I like it.
Okay. It's good.
I want a different pink for it.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna see what colors might suit her eyes.
I should have looked on the swatch sheet for the blue first.
What pink? Cries? What's cries? Can you help me find the cries color?
Cries? Are you sure that's a color? Like she's crying cries?
No. CERISE. The
Cerise? Oh, that's a cool color. R15?
R15. R15. R14. I want to color them, but I don't know what would look good.
Maybe a light blue, like a bright light blue. That's what I should have done.
I'm gonna see if Any of these blue super eyes. I don't know what I want to do to her eyes.
What about green?
Green? Ooh, actually, maybe that is a good idea. I have emerald green.
Oh,
Do you think that would be good? And test it?
yeah, test out your
Oh,
colors.
Pretty. I
You like it?
I like it. It's pretty. Don't you
good.
think?
Yeah, it suits her. What do you like about cats?
Ooh, I have a good one. That they're so cute when they're playing and they're so soft.
Mmm. They do have soft fur. I like that you don't have to walk a cat.
Oh.
You know how you have to walk dogs all the time?
Yep.
Good thing we have the broad tip.
Yep. I thought this was the broad tip.
Yeah, this is the broad. Yep. The chisel tip helps you get to the big areas. You are perfect.
Can I borrow this?
Yeah.
Thanks. Yep, doesn't work.
What are you trying to do?
Trying to make the stripes like you did.
Oh, you need a darker color.
Yeah. Ooh,
About like
the dark blue.
this one?
Yeah.
Okay.
It looks like green. It's fine. Actually, it looks like black.
Mmm.
Too dark.
Too dark. Yeah. A little bit.
Too dark.
And one more yarn ball up here.
You almost done?
Mm-hmm.
Because I'm done.
You are? You're so fast.
Wait.
I think she has mischievous eyes and not mad eyes. She's about to play a trick on somebody.
She's got sewing tools.
Oh, nice. Would you ever have a cat as a pet?
No.
Why not?
I don't know. I would rather have a bird.
Ooh, bird. Cats chase birds.
See?
But you have lots of friends that like cats. I'm sure our art along friends like cats too.
Yep.
Are you done?
Yep.
Okay, let's put it in the middle.
Well, there you go. A mysterious cat.
A mysterious or a mischievous?
Both.
Have fun, art along friends.
Have fun. Bye. Until next time, mischievous doers.
Okay, bye.